Hello everyone, welcome to the Mussoorie Dialogue 2026. Today I am joined by Shresth, who is one of the Declaration founding contributor for Mussoorie 2026. Welcome Shresth. Good
Thank you so
morning.
much, Pramod. Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm fantastic.
Okay. How was your journey so far?
It's wonderful.
Okay.
It's full of new experiences, new
New
things.
experience. Okay. Good to know that. Okay. I have a couple of questions, to ask. Let me start with the first one. So, why did you choose to be part of the Mussoorie Dialogue?
So, if I talk about being the part of this Mussoorie Dialogue, now the kind of people who are joining in this dialogue, I am so keen to meet those people, the experience of those guys, and they are way much experienced than me. They have seen the world before the AI and after the AI, and they can contribute with their knowledge to enhance my knowledge as well. So to take all those experience to connect with the people, so I just wanted to be in this dialogue.
So I actually like the line, before the AI and after the AI. Okay, I really like that. All right. The second is now, what is the biggest challenge, organization is facing in this AI world nowadays, in context to
So
the AI?
got it. So in context of the AI, what I think is it depends upon organization to organization and from the kind of product or maybe the MSME or maybe the large organizations. For small organizations, it may be the cost challenges. For large organizations, it may be the transformation of the processes or maybe understanding of the AI, how they can efficiently use it. So it depends upon the kind of organizations. But again, the main challenge which I think in the era of AI is people are fearless, people are feared, organizations are feared, but those who are not feared are like growing well. So that is the challenge of fear, the one thing.
Okay, point taken. All right. Uh, Now the next is, now which principle from the Mussoorie Declaration, resonate with you the most, and why?
So I think the declaration, the principle where we discuss about how human is going to design and can understand the complex processes and the products, and AI is there to enhance that, speed up that, and making that uh, more quality wise much better. So I think, yeah, the principle number three, where AI is just a helping assistant in this in any organization, and people are there to design the flows and doing the work.
Okay. Principle number 3.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, what is one mindset or habit leaders need to develop to build organization that thrive in this AI era?
So if we talk about the leadership in the AI era, so there are 2 points which is coming into my mind. First one is the leaders of the AI era has to be courageous enough to adopt all the new changes. When I'm saying adopting, it is not like taking all of them into account for the organization, but they should be fearless to tell their team, go and explore the things. And if they are of useful, they should be courageous enough to take this calculated risk to involve in their organizations or maybe the development processes.
True.
Mhm.
All right. Now, if someone is watching this conversation, say 5 years down the line, now what message would you like to leave for them?
So if we talk about 5 year down the line, AI is changing very rapidly. We cannot tell the exact things, but yes, if you are listening this, you may be in an organization which already adopts the AI at the very early stage and continuously improving, and you should also follow this same thing, which you should be fearless in adopting the AI and improving the processes, the products, and everything during the timelines.
School. All right. I want this last question, wherein just complete the sentence. So the future belongs to the organization that.
Yeah. So the future belongs to the organization that efficiently involve AI in their all processes and courageous enough to explore all the new opportunities and new development which are coming into the AI. Yeah,
Okay,
I think
wonderful.
that's it.
All right. Thanks for taking our time,
Thank you
and
so much,
thanks for
Pramod.
joining us.
Thank you so much.